Hey everyone, welcome back to Legit Pick. If you're looking to give your skin a serious hydration boost, hyaluronic acid serums are a game changer. This incredible ingredient draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump, smooth, and youthful looking. But the benefits don't stop there. It also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin look firmer and more radiant. Plus, it works wonders for all skin types, whether you're dealing with dryness, oiliness, or sensitivity. In today's video, we're checking out the best hyaluronic acid serums on the market. These serums not only hydrate, but they also improve skin texture, promote elasticity, and can even help with redness or irritation. So if you're ready to elevate your skincare routine and unlock that dewy glow, stick around as we reveal the top picks. Number 9. Cetaphil Deep Hydration Serum with Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin E, and B5. If you're dealing with dry or sensitive skin, the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Fragrance-Free 48-Hour Activation Serum might just be the solution you've been looking for. Formulated with a unique hydrosensitive complex, this serum goes deep to deliver lasting hydration, helping you replenish moisture and soothe skin sensitivity. Packed with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and B5, it works not only to hydrate but to improve the overall quality of your skin over time, making it feel smoother and more balanced. The lightweight formula absorbs instantly, so it's perfect for layering under your favorite moisturizer for an added hydration boost. One of the standout features of this serum is its ability to deeply hydrate and maintain that moisture for up to 48 hours, ideal for those with dry or dehydrated skin. It's designed for sensitive skin, so you don't have to worry about irritation or clogged pores. Plus, it's fragrance-free, making it gentle and safe for even the most sensitive skin types. If you're looking for a dermatologist-recommended, non-irritating serum to help restore and maintain hydration, Cetaphil's Deep Hydration Serum is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Number 8. Estee Lauder Advanced Face Serum with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Serum is a true powerhouse for anyone looking to target multiple signs of aging while boosting hydration. With its exclusive 1 in 60 million night peptide, this serum works overnight to ignite 7 powerful renewal actions, helping your skin look smoother, more radiant, and even-toned by morning. The addition of hyaluronic acid ensures that your skin is deeply hydrated, while peptides work to repair and renew, leaving you with healthier, more youthful-looking skin. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, dullness, or uneven texture, this serum offers a comprehensive solution that tackles it all. Ideal for all skin types and tones, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum fits seamlessly into both your morning and nighttime skincare routine. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, and with consistent use, you'll notice visibly smoother, plumper skin with a more even complexion. It's a must-have for those looking to boost skin health, reduce the appearance of lines, and wake up with a radiant glow. Plus, with no synthetic fragrance, it's gentle enough for even sensitive skin, making it an all-around, solid choice for anyone seeking an anti-aging serum. Number 7. Cosrx 6x Peptide Collagen Booster Toner Serum. The Cosrx 6x Peptide Collagen Booster Toner Serum is a must-have for anyone looking to improve skin elasticity and achieve a radiant, youthful glow. Packed with 6 peptides, this powerhouse serum works to reduce fine lines, tighten pores, and boost your skin's overall texture. It also helps to alleviate post-hyperpigmentation, making it an excellent option for those with uneven skin tone. The addition of hyaluronic acid further enhances its ability to hydrate and renew, leaving your skin feeling plump and smooth. This formula is perfect for all skin types, providing multiple benefits in one easy-to-use product. With its lightweight toner-like texture, the Cosrx Peptide Collagen Booster absorbs quickly, making it a great first step in your skincare routine. It's also easy to layer with other products, so you can easily incorporate it into your existing regimen. Simply apply a few pumps after cleansing and follow up with your favorite moisturizer for added hydration. For optimal results, pair it with other Cosrx products like the Snail 96 Essence or Retinol 0.1 Cream. This serum is a fantastic addition to anyone's skincare collection, especially for those looking to target fine lines, uneven skin tone, and texture. Plus, with no artificial fragrance or parabens, it's gentle and safe for all skin types. Number 6. TruSkin Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is a powerful, all-in-one solution for brightening and rejuvenating your skin. Formulated with a blend of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, this serum works wonders to even out skin tone, reduce dark spots, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, boosts collagen production, and gives your skin a vibrant, healthy glow. The serum also also targets under-eye circles, leaving the delicate skin around your eyes looking refreshed and more youthful. This anti-aging formula is specially crafted to be gentle yet effective thanks to its use of sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a more stable and less irritating form of vitamin C, along with calming aloe vera, jojoba oil, and botanical hyaluronic acid. It provides deep hydration while smoothing the skin. Plus, it's fragrance-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and other harmful chemicals, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. If you're looking for a clean, effective serum that brightens, hydrates, and combats the signs of aging, TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is an excellent choice for achieving smoother, more radiant skin. Number 5. SkinCeuticals Hyaluronic Acid Intensifier Multiglycan. The SkinCeuticals Hyaluronic Acid Intensifier Multiglycan Serum is a next-generation multidimensional treatment designed to hydrate, plump, and visibly refine your facial contours. With a high concentration of 1.3% pure hyaluronic acid and 12% proxylane, this serum works to amplify your skin's natural hyaluronic acid levels by 30%, helping to restore volume and improve elasticity. It not only hydrates and fills fine lines, but also stimulates glycans that are essential for maintaining volume, giving your skin a smoother, firmer, and more youthful appearance. What sets this formula apart is its ability to deliver instant plumping effects, providing hydration for up to 24 hours while working overtime to renew skin elasticity and firmness. The addition of postbiotic ferment helps support the skin's natural glycosaminoglycans, including hyaluronic acid, which is essential for maintaining optimal hydration levels. This serum is perfect for anyone looking to redefine their facial contours and restore lost volume with a gentle, fragrance-free, and dye-free formula that's safe for daily use. Whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine or maintain results after dermal fillers, SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier is a powerhouse serum that delivers visible results. Number 4. Neutrogena hydroboost Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The Neutrogena hydroboost Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a game-changer for anyone with dry skin looking for intense hydration and a glowing complexion. This lightweight serum, formulated with purified hyaluronic acid, instantly absorbs onto the skin to provide a burst of moisture. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring ingredient in the skin, binds to water and locks it in, leaving your skin feeling plump, smooth, and deeply hydrated. Over time, your skin will not only feel more moisturized, but also look visibly radiant. The fast-absorbing serum is perfect for daily use on both your face and neck, delivering higher hydration levels without clogging pores. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist recommended, making it ideal for those with dry skin who want to avoid irritation. For best results, use it as a part of your skincare routine after cleansing and before applying moisturizer. Pairing it with Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer will leave your skin looking and feeling refreshed, hydrated, and glowing day after day. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a powerful yet gentle solution for sensitive and dry skin. This advanced formula features 2 types of pure hyaluronic acid combined with vitamin B5 and madecassoside, which work together to visibly plump and hydrate the skin. The hyaluronic acid draws moisture into the skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and nourished, while vitamin B5 helps repair and strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. This serum is a fantastic choice for those looking to combat fine lines and wrinkles while boosting overall skin health. What makes this serum stand out is its suitability for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's oil-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores or cause irritation. Whether you're looking to hydrate dry skin, address signs of aging, or simply give your skin a rejuvenating boost, La Roche-Posay's Hyalu B5 Serum is an excellent addition to your routine. For best results, apply 3 to 4 drops to your face and neck every morning and evening, either on its own or layered with your favorite moisturizer for added hydration. Your skin will feel plumper, smoother, and more radiant with each use. Number 2. CeraVe Vitamin C Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. CeraVe Vitamin C Serum with Hyaluronic Acid is the perfect addition to your skincare routine if you're looking to brighten, hydrate, and protect your skin. Formulated with 10% pure vitamin C, this serum helps even out skin tone, reduce dark spots, and give your complexion a radiant glow. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, helping to protect the skin from environmental damage while promoting a healthier, more youthful appearance. The added hyaluronic acid ingredient boosts hydration, improving skin texture and leaving your face feeling nourished and plump. This lightweight, fragrance-free serum that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for layering with other products. It also contains 3 essential ceramides, which help restore and maintain the skin's protective barrier, essential for healthy skin. Dermatologist-tested, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, CeraVe Vitamin C Serum is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're combating signs of aging or simply looking to brighten your complexion, this serum is a great choice for radiant, smooth, and well-hydrated skin. Number 1. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is a powerful hydrating serum that works wonders for all skin types, delivering instant moisture and plumping effects. With 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, this serum deeply hydrates and boosts skin's radiance, leaving it visibly smoother, firmer, and more elastic. Over time, it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, while vitamin C enhances your skin's natural glow. Whether you're dealing with dryness or fine lines, this serum provides immediate relief and long-lasting hydration, helping your skin look youthful and refreshed. This lightweight, fragrance-free gel serum absorbs quickly without any greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use and layering under makeup. It combines both low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid for multi-depth hydration, ensuring your skin stays moisturized at every layer. Dermatologist tested, paraben-free, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum is your go-to solution for plump, dewy skin that feels as good as it looks. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this serum is ideal for achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. And that wraps up our list of the best hyaluronic acid serums out there. Whether you're looking for deep hydration, smoother skin, or a radiant glow, these top picks are all packed with powerful ingredients that target a variety of skin concerns. From plumping and firming to brightening and reducing wrinkles, there's a serum on this list for every skin type and need. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect serum to alleviate your skincare routine. If you've tried any of these products or have your own favorite, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Legit Pick for more skincare recommendations and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay glowing.